The incident at Volunteer Pond began with the refusal by the business owner to sell firearms. So we found out it is legal to do so under certain circumstances. Bianca Murray joins us now live from near Volunteer Pond in Johnson City with more. Bianca.
The refusal of a gun sale has sparked controversy. Was this a civil rights violation, or was the firearms dealer within rights to refuse service? I spoke with experts who told me that it could be both.
Listen, y'all got one shot. We don't want your business. We just ask you to leave.
Why though?
Why?
Why though? Homie, don't worry about it. Why though?
Why? Because when there's 15 of y'all looking for a gun and stuff.
This viewer video of the scene at Volunteer Pawn Shop in Johnson City after the owner told New Panthers members they could not buy firearms there. New Panthers founding member Aaron Rashad Valentine took offense.
I said if 15 card-carrying NRA members that had MAGA hats on came in here, would you have a problem with them? Would you have a problem with 15, you know what I'm saying, alt-white supremacists? Would you have a problem with them? No, you had a problem with the fact that we want to arm ourselves.
Stuart Harris, law professor from Lincoln Memorial University, said there are civil rights statutes that bars discrimination in stores based on race and creed.
This gentleman refused to sell to these black men, perhaps on the basis of race. I don't know, and I'm not making any accusations. But perhaps also because they were supporting a particular political movement, and supporting a political movement is arguably a creed. It's your set of beliefs, and so this gentleman may find himself in a bit of hot water if the people who refuse service decide to file complaints in this case.
Dave Purifoy, a firearms dealer in Greene County, said that a dealer may refuse to sell firearms.
If the firearms dealer just has statements from the person or observations from the person that might be indicated that the firearm may be used for unlawful purposes.
I spoke with Volunteer Pawn owner Jennifer Lovelace today on the phone, and she again declined to give us a statement about what exactly happened in the store on Monday. Members of the New Panthers today also said a lawsuit is in works. In Johnson City, Bianca Murray, News Channel 11.
And Johnson City Police today confirmed the owner of Volunteer Pond was served a criminal summons. A counter-protester was also arrested on a disorderly conduct charge for his involvement in a fight with protesters. None of the New Panthers right now are facing charges.